Tonight, new details revealing that police believe the Utah author, wife and mother accused of poisoning her husband in 2022 may have had help from her own mother. A newly unsealed search warrant affidavit shows Corey Richens' mother, Lisa Darden, was at her daughter and son-in-law's house the night they celebrated a new business deal, just hours before Eric Richens was found dead in the home with 5 times the lethal dose of fentanyl. Darden speaking to CBS 48 Hours just a few weeks ago.
3 o'clock in the morning, I got a phone call, and it was Corey, and she said, "Get up here, something's happened to Eric."
The affidavit also detailing conversations Darden had with her daughter about her disdain for Eric. The warrant included a search of Darden's phone records. After his death, Richens went on to write a grief book and speak about him on TV.
Just because he's not present here with us physically, that doesn't mean his presence isn't here with us.
But these new documents also revealing the mother's connection to another death. Investigators discovering Darden's romantic partner died unexpectedly from an oxycodone overdose in 2006. Further investigation showing Darden had been made a beneficiary of the woman's estate a short time before her death. The detective concluding that based on Lisa Darden's proximity to her partner's suspicious overdose death and her relationship to Corey, it is possible she was involved in planning and orchestrating Eric's death.
Seeing that mom was with Corey Richens the night of her husband's death, and seeing that we have 2 drug overdoses of partners, that can change things all these years later.
Darden has not been charged in either case and could not be reached for comment.
If Lisa Darden, mom, is charged as an accomplice or a party to the crime of Corey Richens' husband's death, then I think it's fair to expect that prosecutors are going to file a motion with the court and say, look, we want evidence to come in of the prior death of her partner, even if she was never charged with it.
Corey Richens' attorney slamming the allegation, saying the fact that Miss Darden's significant other was one of the millions that suffered from and ultimately succumbed to opioid addiction is hardly suspicious. It's tragic and unfortunately quite common. Going on to say the fact that Miss Darden was the beneficiary of her romantic partner's life insurance policy is also not unique. It only demonstrates that her circumstances are no different than most families in America.
And Dana Griffin joins us now from Los Angeles. I mean, Dana, this story, it's hard to keep up with all of the twists and turns. Could Corey's mom actually face charges for the death of her son-in-law?
Well, Ellison, that's the big question. It's possible because Utah has an accomplice liability law that states if you have criminal intent and assisted in any way, you could be facing the same punishment as the actual killer. But like we mentioned, no charges have been filed against Lisa Darden. Ellison?
Dana Griffin, thank you again. We appreciate it.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.